Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, hi, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you back. So Chanel is about to release the new holiday collection, and guess what? I have it here and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you. At this moment we are talking, the collection is not out yet, but it may be out by the time I upload this video. So in any case, I'm going to update the description below for you. Chanel is also about to release the holiday kits later in October, but I have done a review for these kits and I'm gonna link the video up there. So, about the holiday collection, I have to say it is amazing. And you know what? I was a little bit concerned because back in late August, the beginning of September, they released the fall winter collection, and I have to say I didn't like it at all. I also have made a video and I'm gonna link it up there, but yes, it was a little bit spooky for me. The combination of colors, it was a little bit weird. So I was concerned about the holiday collection, but thank God it's amazing. I love it. Also, I have to say that the prices are fair, and also you're getting a really big amount of product. So I'm gonna explain everything. Now, about the holiday kits that coming, the prices are something different. Please go ahead and watch this video and you will understand what I mean by that. So let's get started to unbox this collection. Starting with Rouge Allure Le Extract High Intensity Lip Color. They released 4 shades. This is the color 927. That's the box. Let me see. We don't need that. And that's the packaging. The packaging, guys, is amazing. Gold and black. I love this packaging. So basically you press this button here and you open the lipstick. I love this color. Maybe swatch it for you. Oh yeah. It's like a coral brownie. I love this color. And I believe goes really well with my skin tone. Then we have Rouge Allure. Again, that's the liquid lip color and the color is 94. I believe they released 2 colors in this one, so I got the 94. Ta-da! That's an amazing, shiny fuchsia. I love it. What do you think? This is screams Christmas, celebration and holiday. I love it. Then I have another Rouge Allure Le Extract. That's the color 917. That's a box. We don't need it. Oh my God, that's a really nice pinky shade. Yeah, I love it. So basically you can put this and then you can put this on top for shine. Or you can wear it alone, of course. All the colors are amazing. I love them. Then I got Ombre Premiere. That's the color 47 Milky Way. And it's a nice shadow, of course. That's a box. Of course we don't need it. Look. It's like when the sun goes down and the Milky Way shines. I love this one, guys. Ta-ta. Look the sign. And you know, you can control the intensity with this one. You can either put a little bit and, you know, spread it all over your eyelid, or you can put a second, you know, coat and be more intense. You can put it on your crease, you can put it on your corner. It's an amazing color, guys. And now, are you ready, guys? We're going to the most amazing part. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ta-tan! Diamond Dust Illuminating Powder. This is huge, guys. This is huge. This is 0.53 Oz. Oh my God. Let me see here. Yeah, we don't need that. Let me open that for you. Ta-da! Oh my God. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's huge. That screams holidays. That makes me feel special, guys. And just for you to understand the size, I have here a duo blush highlighter from the summer collection. Look the size. So basically this one is 0.23 Oz. So basically you're getting 11.5 Oz for the blush and 11.5 Oz for the highlighter. But here you're getting 0.53 Oz for the whole highlighter. This is never gonna finish, guys. Look at that. I love it. Wow. And then, wow, we're going to the next amazing thing. Ta-da! Eyeshadow and blush palette. This is 0.42 Oz. Another huge palette. We don't need that as well. Wow. Wow. Look at the colors. Those colors are amazing, and I feel like if you mix those two for blush, it's gonna be an amazing, you know, color combination. And also, now you can put this eyeshadow on your crease and on your corner, and you can put that in the middle. You can create an amazing look with those colors. And again, this is a huge palette. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see. But look at that. Wow. What do you think so far? Do you like them? Please leave me your comments down below. Oh my god, those are amazing. Oh wow, what do you think? I love all the colors. But what do you think, guys? I would love to know your opinion and your thoughts about this new holiday collection. Please leave me your comments down below. I would love to read them and I love to respond. Thank you so very much for watching and I'm gonna talk to you soon.